If you go to San Francisco, be sure to wear flowers in your hair. If you go to San Francisco, be sure to put flowers on your foot. If you go to San Francisco, be sure to pack flowers on your back. If you go to San Francisco, be sure to show the flowers on your toe. If you go to San Francisco, be sure to snap flowers to your lap. If you go to San Francisco, you must get dressed